In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hash in Snowflake. Hashing in Snowflake is a really handy tool when you want to generate a signed 64-bit hash value. This is particularly useful for tasks like bucketing or partitioning data within your datasets, making it easier to manage and query data efficiently. Let's dive right in. Imagine you're working with a string and you need a quick and reliable way to partition your dataset. In Snowflake, you can achieve this by using the hash function. This function takes a string as input and returns a deterministic signed integer, serving as your hash value. Now let's break that down a bit. What we mean by deterministic is that every time you input the same string, Snowflake will produce exactly the same hash value. This consistency is crucial when you're trying to ensure that your datasets are grouped or partitioned predictively and reliably. To start off, you'll use the SQL statement provided by the Snowflake environment. The statement is quite straightforward. You simply type, select hash, your string here. Of course, you'll want to replace your string here with the actual string you want to hash. Once you run this command within your Snowflake console, it will return a signed 64-bit integer. This value is your hash, ready to be used for whatever partitioning or bucketing needs you might have. Notice that I mentioned this is not a cryptographic function. That's a key point to remember. The hash function was not designed with security in mind, so it shouldn't be used for any task where security or cryptographic assurance is required. In other words, while it's perfect for organizing or categorizing your data, it shouldn't be used for encrypting sensitive information. When working within data environments, understanding and utilizing hashing functions can drastically improve how you manage your data architecture. It allows for efficient sorting and quick access, making your overall data processing more effective. Think of hashing as a way to transform your data into an organized index, naturally breaking down tasks like searching, sorting, and data retrieval, and ensuring these operations run smoothly within large datasets. To recap, you use the hash function in Snowflake by simply inserting your string into the provided syntax, and in return, you get that valuable signed integer. This simple process can transform the way you interact with your data, providing more control over data operations like partitioning. Remember to reserve this tool for non-security purposes to maintain the integrity and safety of your data privacy practices. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to hash in Snowflake. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful, providing you with the knowledge needed to utilize this function effectively in your projects. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy coding!